Welcome to InterDesign. I'm Jo Kroback, and InterDesign is the culmination of 25 years of my career being an architect, an interior designer, and running my own interior design studio. I've also been mentoring for over 10 years, and everything inside InterDesign is my studio shared with you. So let's have a look inside InterDesign. From here, you can pick up where you left off with your projects or career pathway, see the latest conversations in the community, and stay up to date with the notifications for mentoring calls, workshops, masterclasses, and new classes released each week. You can view your project calendar, see who else is online around the world, and access everything you need to manage your projects and day-to-day work as a designer. One of my favourite parts of InterDesign is the courses section. No matter where you are in your journey, there are always skills that will take you to the next level. Our courses are designed specifically for interior designers, so you can start working at a high level straight away. Everything is built into our tools and workflows, so you always know what to learn next and when to apply it within a real project. As designers, there is always something new to learn. With short classes released every week, you build your skills and knowledge naturally as part of your workflow, not something separate you have to find time for. A successful career in interior design is impossible without a team around you, and that's what we have here in the community and mentorship section of the website. As an architect and interior designer running my own studio, I know how important it is to have the right guidance at the right time. Fastest way to move forward, no matter where you are in your journey, is to learn from someone who's actively working in the industry and experienced in mentoring designers. Inside, you get direct guidance, personalized feedback, and access to a professional community so you can stay focused, build confidence, and move forward without overthinking or questioning your decisions. To make life easier, we also have templates and tools. Everything has been developed from real projects and refined through my own studio, so you're using the same systems, documents, and workflows that working designers rely on every day. You're not paying for multiple applications or trying to adapt generic templates. You're stepping into a complete way of working that's been designed to support you properly as you build and run real projects. When it comes to presentations, everything is set up for you to deliver clear, professional work that reflects a high level of design, not something that feels off the shelf. I always say the best way to learn about interior design business is by doing it. And that's why I open up my studio so that you can see and share all of my tools and business strategies so that you can use exactly what I'm using in my business day to day. So come have a look. We show you how to run your interior design business properly, from pricing your services to understanding how real projects are structured and delivered, so you can stop guessing and start working with confidence. You'll learn how to run your projects in your business, and then you have the tools to actually do it. Your entire project workflow is built into the platform, from pricing and fee proposals through to invoices and project delivery. Tasks are linked to each project, so you always know what to focus on each day. You can track your time, organize your work, build professional presentations, save time creating schedules with our web clipper, and manage your project files, all in one place. So as you can see, InterDesign is where I share exactly what I do, from running my projects to running my interior design studio, and share everything with you and our community so that you can have a fulfilling and successful career in interior design too. So come and join us. What are you waiting for? Let's get into design.